Indian equity markets plunged sharply today, echoing global investor panic triggered by American President Donald Trump's tariff hike and fears of retaliatory trade actions. The BSE Sensex nosedived 2,234 points to close at 73,138, marking its steepest single-day fall in over a year. The Nifty tumbled 743 points to settle at 22,162, with all sectoral indices closing deep in the red. Both benchmarks touched 10-month lows intraday before witnessing a mild pullback in the final hour of the trade. But investor wealth worth 13 lakh crore rupees was wiped out in a single session, with fears of a slump continuing in the near future as well.
Nifty 50 both crashed in trade today. That's on Monday. In fact, we are currently present outside BSE building, and my video journalist showing you the visuals of BSE building, where everything you read currently is on the falling mark, on the red lines. In fact, BSE Sensex plunged over 3,200 points, wherein we talk about Nifty 50 that was below 21,900. In fact, if we just see both the stock market, they have plunged over 4%, and we have been seeing the kind of response we have been seeking from the Indian market experts. They have stated that the combined market capitalization of the companies that are listed on BSE saw a reduction of 19.4 lakh crore. That's bringing the total value to 383.95 lakh crore. Now, there have been various reasons attributed to this. In fact, if we just understand about the India-US trade diplomacy, or about the fear of recession that is looming large, we are getting to understand that this market situation is going to be like this for even few more days. And here, as one of the important factor to the retail investors or to the general investors, it's been stated that the investment in the pace should be kept and they need not worry. But as we are seeing, both BSE, Sensex and Nifty 50 has plunged, and this is the time where we have seen the Indian market crashing down. What do you think, sir, the factors, the reasons attributed to such fall?
Because this fall is happening because of the tariff war, and we can say any other word, it's a financial war, word-wise. There is it's between US and the whole world. So where it will go, we don't know now. But the whole world economy is now on stake. Where it will go, how it will work in coming days, nobody knows now. Actual war is not started yet, because it's going to implement it from the 9th April, and China is going to counter on 10th. So if it's not some negotiation is happen, then we can see more and more fall in global market.
And this is quite profound to understand that the actual financial war has not yet begun. Now we are waiting for 9th of April. And sir, do you also anticipate again the Sensex would be falling, the Nifty 50 will be falling again?
Definitely, I told this is going to happen again, because there is uncertainty in the market. Globally uncertain. Nobody knows where we have to. So in India, impact would be less compared to other worlds.
With that, let's also get you Donald Trump's first reaction amid this global market meltdown. Donald Trump has defended the reciprocal tariffs, saying there has been no inflation, oil prices and interest rates are down. That's the first reaction coming in from the US president after hitting the world with his tariff plan and the subsequent global meltdown that the world has witnessed today, saying there has been no inflation and that oil prices and interest rates are down. And remember, earlier Donald Trump has also said that tariff is a beautiful thing and it is a medicine that the world needs to take so that global trade and economies are stabilized, particularly in America.